Today I'm going to show you how to use search folders in Outlook. So if you are using Outlook Classic, you'll go over to the left hand side. You will see that this bar over here will display all of your emails. Go ahead, click on this little arrow. This will open up and look for search folders. Now if you click on it, a list of your search folders will actually appear. But if this is your first time creating one, it'll look like this. Go ahead and click on new search folder. And here you can select a search folder. Now these are some predefined, but if you want to go all the way down to the bottom of this list and click on create a custom search folder, you can do so. Here you can customize your search folder. So to specify criteria, click on choose. Now, this is the area where we get to name our search folder. So let's just say search folder 1. And what we're going to do essentially here is we are going to choose the mail folder that we are going to be looking in, and we are going to select criteria. Now we can select different criteria. So let's say we're looking for certain words in the subject field only, or the frequently used text fields, or the subject field and the message body. Let's say we are looking for certain recipients or certain senders. Let's say we want to select the only person on the to line, or the only person on the to line with other people, or on the CC line with other people. This criteria is just regarding your message. There are also more choices. You can go into categories over here or use this drop down menu. And here you can see different name categories or different color categories. You can create new ones. And here you can change things like only items that are having a certain status, only items with one or more attachment, whose importance is, only items which are maybe flagged by different people, or match this case. So we've got size, we can change that, and we can change a minimum and a maximum. Then we have advanced, which here you can find items that match this criteria. You can change the fields over here, which are tons of different fields. You can change the conditions. So for example, if we say date and time field expires on any time today, and then we can add that to the list. Once we have done all of the criteria, go ahead and click on OK. Once you have clicked on OK, you can now click on OK here. And this new search folder will actually appear here on the left hand side. So if you go in here, you'll see search folders, and we've got search folder 1. It'll tell you how many emails are in that search folder.